Service in Bismarck has issued a tornado warning for west central McKenzie County in northwestern North Dakota until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 7:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 7:11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 12 miles east of Sydney or near Sather Dam, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central McKenzie County, including the following locations: Sather Dam. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.